Welcome to the Spring 2025 Data 10901D class. You may be in the 901D or the 902D section. There are two sections in this online asynchronous class. Welcome. I hope all of you had a wonderful winter break. This is Spring 2025. Okay. First of all, I just wanted to give you an overview of this class. This is an asynchronous class. It's a fully asynchronous class. There will be no regular class meetings, but I will be available for my office hours to meet with you. My name is Dr. Daniel Lazarus. My faculty information is available here. You could go take a look at it. And my office hours are mentioned here. If you would like to have a Zoom meeting, please email me. I will send you a Zoom link and you will be able to contact me if you have any questions. Okay. If you see, this class is organized week-wise. The first 4 or 5 tabs will be about the policies of the class. The course outline is available here. If you take a look at it, the course outline is here for you to download. Click this and you will be able to download it from here. If you take a look at it, there's a download button here. You can click and download it. And that's the course outline. Please read through the course outline, go through the Brightspace class for clarity. Okay. You also have certain rules for online discussions. Please read through them. Please be very polite when you're posting, because you have to reply to other classmates. You'll have to do a lot of postings, communications on the discussion boards. Okay, so read through these 15 rules of netiquette or online discussion boards. Okay. You also have to buy the textbook. You should have, all of you should have it by now. If you don't have it, please follow this. When you click on this, it takes you to BCC Books, which is the Academos book. Click this, and when you buy this, you're going to get a complete package. Some of you had emailed me saying, you're saying only one book is available here, but on the course, in the course, it says there are 2 books. Don't worry, it's a package, and you get both the access of Computer Essentials 2023 and Microsoft Office. It is one package, is tailor-made for Bronx Community College. Okay. And then, of course, you can download your Microsoft Office. If you don't have an Office software, you can click on this, and it is free for all BCC and CUNY students. So follow this link and log in with your CUNY ID. Follow these directions. And still, if you have questions, please don't email me. I don't help with Office installations. There is a department exclusively to help students. It's called Technology Service Center. You can email them. You can call them. They're available all weekdays. So please call them and they will help you. If you are on campus, please feel free to walk into Roscoe Brown Center, and the Technology Student Service Center is available there to go in person. If you take your laptop, or if you want to install it on your tablet, they will help you do that, and you can go and get their help. Okay. And this is a Spring 2025 calendar to find out the closures. It may not all apply to you. This mostly applies to in-person classes when there are no classes scheduled. But because this is an asynchronous class, whether the college is closed or whether it's working, you are to complete all the tasks for that particular week. Okay. Once again, if you need any help with your computers, with installation, with Brightspace, or with any kind of technology help with your laptops and office softwares, please contact the Technology Service Center for students. They are available at this information. Okay. All right. Next, let's go to the class. As I told you, this class is organized week-wise. If you take a look at both, you could look at it on a widget view. There are 2 views, either the widget view or the content view. There are 2 views, but both of them show the same information or the content. Okay, it's just different views of the class. Okay, this is week 1 once again. So this week, every week, you will be sent over a video instruction on what to do, and they will also be available here on text. For example, this is week 1. This week, you have a class discussion of class introduction. You're going to introduce yourself to the class. And then task 2 will be, you should have your book. If you have not purchased the book, please purchase the book and sign up to SIMNet. Okay, what is SIMNet? I will explain to you. That's where we're going to be doing majority of the learning in this class. And so if you want to sign up to SIMNet, there is a sign up video, how to sign up to SIMNet. There is a video I've created. So click on this and watch the video. It tells you how to sign up to SimNet. Okay, right. And then if you take a look, this week we have a discussion. So you have to introduce yourself to your fellow classmates. You may prepare a video or an audio introduction. Text alone is not sufficient. You will have to prepare a video or an audio and submit it. For example, click on this and then create a new thread and then add it, upload your file right here. Your name should be your subject line. For example, if I type my name here, that should be your subject line, and then click and upload your video or audio right here and then submit it. Okay, that's discussion number one. And apart from you submitting your own discussion post, you will have to reply to 2 or 3 other classmates, and please be aware this is a graded discussion, so you will get grades for this. Okay, that's week 1. Every week you will be getting video announcements, which will be here. Click on the announcements. If you want to look at the announcements, you can look at it any number of times you want during the week. But one thing I require students to do is to check your emails and check your Brightspace class every single day and complete your work. Okay, so this is the overview of the class. Now I will explain to you what is SimNet, because that's where majority of the learning is going to take place. So when you click on to SimNet, when you click this link, there's a link given to you here. You don't have to look for SimNet anywhere. Just click on this and it actually takes you to, let me open it for you and show you. It takes you to SimNet here. Make sure that you see this Bronx Community College here, because sometimes people try logging into other colleges. SimNet is used by a lot of schools, more than 500, 600 schools. So make sure you're logging into the correct college. When you click sign in, it takes you to this class. So if you are in 901D class, make sure your class is correct. If you are in 902D class, make sure your class is correct. Okay. Now what happens if you see a different class here? If you have taken, say, Data 33, or you have taken the Data 10 class in a previous semester, but you did not complete the course, you may see a different section here. So you got to click on this here, select another class, and make sure that you select Data 10 901D Spring 2025. Okay, here, Spring 2025. Once again, there are 2 sections, 901D and 902D sections. Click on one of these and you will see you are in the correct section. Because if you are in the wrong section, you will not see these assignments. Okay, if you were in a previous semester, you will see this blank because those classes have already passed due. So this is Spring 2025. Make sure you are in the correct class. That's the first thing that you need to see. Now, how do we access the book? So if you have opted for the book and you have the book, you can click on library. The 2 books that we will be using is Computer Essentials 2023 and Microsoft Office 365. These are the 2 books that we are using. Okay, you can also have a look at this on your textbook and course outline material. I've given you the details. See, these are 2 books we will be using, and you will find them in your SimNet library. Okay, these 2 books. Don't worry about the other books. I teach a lot of other courses, and these are previous versions of the same book. But the most important thing is you should have these 2 books. If you bought the book and you have a code, you don't know how to enter the code, and you don't find these books here, what you have to do is click on your name and click products and enter your registration code here. Okay, normally SimNet gives you, for the first ever time, if you sign up to SimNet, if you're new to SimNet, the SimNet gives you 28 days of courtesy access. Before that, you have to buy the book and enter the registration code here. Otherwise, the book access will end and you won't be able to access the book after 28 days. Okay, so click on your name and enter products and enter the code that you purchased, or the book. When you purchase a book, they give you a registration code. Click on this and say add my code. Then it gives you full access to these 2 textbooks. Okay, when you buy the book, they give you specific codes to packages. So if you bought this package, for example, when you click on this and go buy the book, when you click on this, for example, so if you click on this, it takes you to exactly the Spring 2025. You see this Spring 2025 term, Data 10 Essentials, and the book. So when you buy this book, They give you access for 1,460 days. So if you have bought the book earlier in a semester, you don't have to buy it again. Okay. So all you have to do is call them. And if you are not able to access it, call this number. I have given you a number at the bottom of this. So you can call the number. It's on week 1 registration. I have given you the number somewhere here. Okay, I can provide you the number with the SimNet help. Or you can just email the email that was given to you when you bought the book. Okay, you can search for SimNet customer service and call them, and they will be able to help you with the book. Okay, so basically you should have access to these 2 books throughout the course. Okay, and this book we have 13 chapters which you will be reading by yourself every day, and there will be practice exams, and you will be taking up tests, and the final exam will have questions from all these 13 chapters and the office textbook here. Okay, right. And then this is for week 1. We will go through this, and as we go through, we will let you know. By the way, we'll be starting with Microsoft Excel to start with. So Excel has 4 chapters that you have to complete, which I will be giving you more information. Okay. When you complete this 4 chapters, you will be getting an Excel white belt certification. So make sure you grab that. It's helpful when you go for job interviews and so on. Okay. So make sure that you have access to this. So once again, welcome to week 1. So please complete the tasks for this week 1. Okay. The only assignment that you have to do is to complete this online discussion and do reading from chapter 1 from the Computer Essentials book, meaning you have to go to library, Computer Essentials, and read through chapter 1. Okay, this is an ebook. You can just click on the chapter 1, and then you can go click on the first page, and you can skip pages. So you can just click the arrows, it takes you, and it's a good read. Please complete that by week 1. Okay. So once again, welcome to week 1. My office hours are available here. If you do have any questions, please feel free to email me, and I'll be happy to help you. And I'm available during the office hours. You can set up an appointment. So I do have classes on campus, so I will not be available all the time. So if you send me an email, please give me some time to reply to your emails. I normally reply to emails within 12 to 24 hours. Okay. So good luck, everybody. Once again, welcome to Spring 2025 901D Asynchronous, 902D Asynchronous classes on Brightspace. I would suggest you take a look at all these classes. Take a look at all my 16 weeks are ready for you. But I would suggest don't jump the classes. For example, don't go and do week 5 or week 6 now. You will have to, because I will not be grading them if you have been posted a month before. Okay. So make sure that you take a look at all the classes and get yourself, familiarize yourself with the Brightspace class and the learning module for this. And it's going to be a very informative class. I hope you have to, but you have to do your work as assigned every week. Okay. Because there is no makeups or there is no extensions normally because the class is fully packed for 16 weeks. Okay. So good luck, everyone. If you do have any questions, please feel free to email me. I will be available for you. Good luck, everybody.